All right, I got two pieces of really big news. The first one is something I saw a reference to in Aramaic Spell Bowls Volume 2, a disappointing volume. Really, obviously, unashamedly biased and not nearly as good as Aramaic bowl spells, Aramaic incantation bowls in museum collections. That one's better. Still has shortcomings, but one of the rare insights in there came from somebody called Lucarelli. She's brilliant. There's a fucking lightning bolt in here. Iao, I-A-O, the Trigrammaton, which preceded the Tetragrammaton. It was very common in certain places at certain times. Iao became, Lucarelli says, an epithet of Seth. What? An epithet of Seth. Iao, an epithet of Seth this late? Into the Common Era? Amazing. It's about the donkey. Seth is associated with the donkey. Jesus is a little associated with the donkey. Yahweh is a little associated with the donkey. Goddess is really associated with donkeys. And Seth is really associated with donkeys, Lucarelli says. You could read this paper and miss this incredible revelation. It's a little number 4 down here at the bottom of the page 91 of the donkey in the Greco-Egyptian papyri. This is amazing. Yeah, that's like on the Eunelos inscription. Could there be some kind of connection between Seth and Yahweh all the way into the Common Era? Asiatics were associated with Seth. There were seen to be Seth worshippers in Egypt much earlier, but I've never seen any suggestion that there's any later connection between Seth and the Hebrews. Jews by this point. Second piece of news. Oh God, I feel weird with people walking around this right now. Second piece of news is that I started estrogen today. So, it's been a long time coming. Wish it was 5 years ago. Wish me luck. This has been the autistic paleographer, also, I guess, known as the homeless paleographer. Everything had to die, everything had to break, and I had to lose my family before I could start taking hormones. But, yeah. I don't know what to say. It's a big day. 8/2/2024. That's the day I started hormone replacement therapy. Wish me luck.